So, I told you guys that if I have something that I want to talk to you guys about, that I'm going to just jump on and do that. Y'all know I don't have a problem. Today I had to go have my, checkup, my womanly checkup. It was time for that. And so me and hubby just got back. I've been kind of editing and doing some things in my calendars, getting my dates and stuff for events and stuff prepared for me and for RIZZY'S events that she got at school and field trips and all that stuff. So kind of doing my calendars, because what I do is I have a pink calendar on my phone, a big calendar on my desk, and then one in the kitchen. So that way I try to make sure I remember all dates. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. That's what I was doing. And I'm just chillaxing, getting ready to watch some Netflix. Guys, if you don't remember me talking about this stuff, I talked about this natural nail polish over a year ago. Over a year ago, I did a video. I'm going to put the link below. Me and my husband was on our way to Hollywood for like a week. And I did my nails, my natural nails, because these are my natural nails. And I did my toes. I don't like the smell of regular nail polish remover. My kids don't. My husband don't. And usually if you use regular nail polish remover, this is only a 4-ounce bottle. When you use that, you got to use, if I do my nails, and tell me if this is the same thing with you guys, you have to use at least 4 or 5 dips on a cotton ball before you get all of it off the way you need it. Nice and clean nails. It has a horrible smell, and then your nails look dry as heck. Well, I noticed that when I start painting my nails and doing them and tending to them, they grow like freaking weeds. And I said, they grow fast, right? But the thing is, they grow faster when they're painted. But I notice I'm anal about nail polish. When it starts to chip or look funny, unless I had to jump on, I'm not gonna be on camera with chipped up nails. That's just me. This is just a pet peeve for me. And so I'll just take it off. If it chips, I'll just take it off. So with that being said, I change my polish a lot. Not as much. Sometimes from me braiding hair, they start to turn gray or black from the dye and the braiding hair. So I have to change it. So I change it often. But what I realize is I'm taking this to take it off. This has oils in it, natural oils in it. And it's really good for your cuticles and your nails. And I'm like, this stuff right here, it's like you don't have to oil your cuticles when you do your manicure, because this stuff is a freaking amazing. It leaves your hands nice and moist and oiled. So you really have to like wash it off really good, to make sure that the nail polish could adhere. This was $11 when I first got it. I think $10.99 or $9.99. No more than $11 for this little bottle. I was kind of hesitant, but my husband hates the smell. And I told you guys before, I wish that I can afford to buy all my polish all over again in a natural polish that doesn't smell, because there are a lot out there, but they're expensive. They're like $7, $8, $9 a bottle. If you know something cheaper than $3, let me know, because I haven't seen any. So when I got this, I was skeptical. It is down to, you can see where it's shaking down at the bottom. I had this over a year, guys. I had this over a year, and I think this right here I can still have for another 3 months, 2-3 months. And I held on to it, and I love it. Like, this is my go-to. Gotta have it. It gets it off so smooth. It's not harsh on the nails. And like I said, leaves your cuticles nice and moist and oiled. Guess what? I went on, because I said it's about time to re-up on it, because I don't want to get it where it's completely low and then I'm mad like, oh, I can't find it. I found a seller on eBay selling it for $6.99 a bottle. Wait, but y'all know how I do. If it's something I'm going to use, bam, this is a couple years of supplies of remover for $12, 12, $13. $6.99, yeah, $14. $14, okay? You cannot beat that. I'm going to put the link below, and I'm going to put the link to when I did my feet and my hands, and I literally showed you me dipping it in on doing with the cotton ball and showing you how many cotton balls I used to show you guys this stuff is no joke. It's not harsh to your babies, your family, and it's not harsh to your nails. That regular nail polish will dry the heck out of your cuticles. My nails are not dry looking. The cuticles don't look bad. And this stuff has my nails growing like a weed. growing like a weed. And I know it's getting warm here, so I'm going to probably be cutting them because I don't want them breaking off and me hurting my nail beds, you know, dealing with tools. But then again, they've been a lot stronger than they used to be, and this is the other hand. So, I don't know. I don't know. This hand doesn't, oh, sorry guys. This hand doesn't grow, and this is the hand I work with. It doesn't grow as fast as that hand. This hand grows much faster. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you. The link's below. Go check out that video and see how I did my mani and pedi and how this stuff removed that with a little bit of nothing. Because it's an oil base, so it doesn't dry up. Like I've did it, took some off and left the cotton ball, messed up again and went back to that cotton ball and it was still wet because it's like an oil base and it removed whatever needed to be removed even after like 15-20 minutes of sitting there. So go check it out. Both videos will be, I mean, the link to the seller and the link to, let me see, I didn't even open these, and the link to that video when we were preparing to go to Hollywood when I did my my mani and pedi. So this is what it looks like inside the box, just like that. Nice bubble wrap. Oh, because this is a glass container. Yeah, these are glass bottles. So yep, go grab you some if you can't stand that smell and you like to wear natural nails. Some people don't even wear polish and you just still probably, you'll be cutting the game in half because you just eliminating all of it because you don't even have to deal with all those polishes like I do, which like I said, I wish I can switch that up. But definitely guys, don't sleep on this nail polish. This is Pure Body Naturals. Pure Body Naturals. I don't know why my phone has been doing this. I have no clue. Pure Body Naturals, 100% natural nail polish remover. Non-flammable, 100% biodegradable. No acetone, no acetate, and no ethanol and lactate. Yes. So, and it's made in the U.S. and it's not tested on animals. And it's 4 ounces, USDA certified, bio preferred. Bam. Check it out. If you do, let me know how you like it. If you did, let me know how you love it. And if you have any questions, leave them below. And your girl will definitely answer what she can. Later, Gators. Talk to you in the next video.